Hello guys and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more short tutorials. So, let's get started. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device and log into your account. Now pay close attention. You can't withdraw money directly from MetaTrader 5. To withdraw funds, you first need to transfer your money, whether it's USD or cryptocurrency, to your Exness account or any other broker account that you're using. To do that, click on Deposit, then transfer your selected currency from MetaTrader 5 to your Exness account. Once the funds appear in your Exness account, simply click on Withdraw and choose Bank Transfer to send the money directly to your bank account. And that's it. As of now, this is the only way to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.